everyone, it's Dustin with Botcopy, and today I'm going to walk you through a quick demo of our window methods in action. Now in this particular user journey, we're accounting for a user that walks away from the conversation and a 10-minute period has gone by, and we give you the ability to add any event logic that you'd want in the sequence. Now for this particular demo, all I've done is simply I've limited down to actually 10 seconds instead of 10 minutes so we can show it happening. But we're just going to send a message. So Dialogflow is going to be aware that this event has taken place because Botcopy is on the website. We're seeing that an event, and what we're doing in this demo is the event is no activity, meaning that there's been no activity for a certain amount of time, and that event is being sent over to Dialogflow. And in Dialogflow, what I'll show you is we're setting an event handler. So when we recognize that takes place, a new message is being deployed. In this particular instance, the message is super simple. It's, are you there yet? And if you don't respond within the next 10 minutes, in this demo, it's 10 seconds, we're gonna go ahead and clear the history and start over. Now, this is important for security reasons because not everybody is having conversations on their personal device. And while Botcopy does not store any personal information, the screen and it displaying is still available. So let's pretend that the user's at a public library or a school or accessing this from a computer that's not their own and they walk away. We don't want someone else to potentially come into that conversation and see the whole log. So we're accounting for that here in this quick demo. So give me another minute and I'll walk us all through. Okay, so let's go ahead and start this demo over. Now, Botcopy has been deployed on this website. Now, I'm going to wait for no activity to go by. And then once it's gone by, an event is taking place on this website. And it's sending over to Dialogflow and a new message displays. So just like that, there you see it. Are you still here? For security reasons, if I don't hear from you in the next 10 minutes, I'll automatically clear this message history and start over. So let's wait a little bit longer because I'm not going to respond. And automatically it clears the history and starts over. So there you have it. That was a quick demo of a window method in action. Now, all we've done here is we've injected Botcopy's snippet on the page. And then we created this event logic. So here's the event prompt, and this is going to continue to take place in a loop, and it's only 10 seconds. So just ignore it for now. I'll go ahead and close this window. And this inactivity prompt, we've actually tied up to Dialogflow. So in this inactivity prompt, which we've added as an event handler, we've created a custom event. We've named it. You can name it whatever you'd like. And then we add this simple dialogue to inform the user this event has taken place. Here's what's happening in this particular arrangement. So I'll go ahead and share this sample CodePen environment for everybody else to take a look at. But think about what other event methods or window methods and event listeners that you can tie to your own experience. We've seen customer use password reset flows. So recognizing when a user has typed in the wrong password, the chat springs into action and helps them reset or point them in the right direction. 404 errors, buttons that are clicked, triggering the chat. The world is kind of your oyster as far as events are concerned. And you've got Google Cloud in the background and its AI to pick up and understand what's happening from the context of the user and responding accordingly. Okay, well, that